Dancing pet videos are blowing up on social media right now. You can take almost any pet, put it in any location, and make it perform a trending dance. Look at this TikTok page. They've gained over 500,000 plus followers by uploading videos like these, and each video has received millions of views. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create one using AI. Let's get started. First, open the GPT library and search for dancing pet. Click Start Chat. You'll see 4 different options. We'll start with Choose Pet, so click that. It gives you a list of different pets to choose from. Just type the number of the pet you want. The chat will generate a character lock prompt for the Corgi. It describes the same breed, body structure, and upright pose on a plain white background. Copy that prompt. Now open Google Flow and create a new image. Paste the prompt into Flow and generate your image in a 9:16 vertical format. The goal here is to create a clean reference image of the same Corgi standing upright. Once the images are generated, choose your favorite one. Now take that reference image and upload it back into the Dancing Pet chat. This takes us to Stage 2, placement. The chat will ask you to choose a real-world location. For this example, I'll type, "in front of the Statue of Liberty." It generates a new prompt that keeps the same Corgi while placing it in front of the Statue of Liberty. Copy that prompt. Go back to Google Flow and create another image. Paste the placement prompt and attach the Corgi reference image we created earlier. Generate the image. Now you should have the same Corgi standing in front of the Statue of Liberty with a realistic environment. Once you have your final placement image, upload it back into the Dancing Pet chat. This starts Stage 3, animation. The chat will ask whether you have a dance video that you want the pet to copy. If you don't have one, choose Route B. The chat will create a simple dance sequence based on the still image. For example, settle to swing to peak to return. The movements are designed to flow back into the starting position, which helps create a clean loop. Copy the animation prompt. Now go back to Google Flow and switch from image generation to video generation. Use your Statue of Liberty Corgi image as the reference or starting frame. Paste the animation prompt. Choose the 9:16 vertical format, select the OmniFlash video model, set the duration to 10 seconds, and generate the video. And that's it. You now have a dancing Corgi moving naturally in front of the Statue of Liberty. The result is the same Corgi performing the dance while keeping the original location and character appearance consistent. And that's the complete workflow. You can change the animal, location, and dance to create completely different videos using the same process. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.